Good morning, children. Welcome back to science class. In today's science class, we are going to complete the lesson reading and textbook objectives. Okay, coming to the lesson reading, this is the lesson 5, states of matter. Okay, states of matter. Now I am going to start the lesson. Okay, we have learned in previous class that anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Underline the matter. Okay, and all objects are made up of matter. Matter consists of tiny particles known as molecules. These molecules are so small that they cannot be seen with naked eye. These molecules are further composed of very small particle called atoms. Atoms are the smallest. Underline these two words, atoms and molecules. These two words you underline. Are the smallest unit of matter and therefore are known as building blocks. Underline, building blocks of matter. On the basis of arrangement of molecules in a substance, we can categorize. Underline categorized. We can categorize substances into solid, liquid or gases. Let's study about them in detail. First we are going to see the solid. Underline solid. Okay, this you underline. Solids have fixed shape and size. The reason behind this is that there is a strong force of attraction between the molecules of solid. Due to this, the molecules are packed very close to each other. Solids may be hard. For example, stone. For example, underline stone, table, chair, underline chair, etc. Or there may be soft like paper, powder, cloths, etc. See here, children, here how the molecules are packed here. You can see how the molecules are packed very close to each other. Arrangement of molecules in solids. Okay, now we are going to see the another one, liquid. Liquids do not have a fixed shape and size. They takes the shape of the container in which they are poured or kept. Unlike solids, molecules in liquids are not very closely packed as they have very less force of attraction between them. This results in free movement of the molecules in a liquid. Underline liquid. Okay, underline results molecules in liquid. That is why liquids can flow easily. Underline easily. They have a fixed volume. Underline volume, which can be measured also. Example, you can take water, petrol, soft drinks, cool drinks, soft drinks and milk and some liquids. See here, children, how the arrangement of molecules in liquids. See, they are very far from each other. The gaps are there. Okay, this is how the arrangement of liquids takes place in the liquid. Gases do not have any shape or size. The molecules in gases are very loosely packed as compared to the solids and liquids. Because they are almost negligible. Underline negligible force of attraction between them. Attraction between the molecules. So they can move freely in all directions. Underline direction. And fill the and fill entire space available to them. Unlike solids and liquids, gases cannot be seen. We can only feel them. See here, balloon. When you blow the air in the balloon, the molecules are arranged like this, very far from each other. When you see arrangement of molecules in gases, when you open this, they are dispersed in the nature because of this arrangement. Next we'll see, our atmosphere is also made up of different gases like nitrogen and oxygen and carbon dioxide, and two important gases necessary for the survival of life on the earth. What are those? Oxygen and nitrogen, oxygen and carbon dioxide. See here, negligible. What is the negligible? It refers to these quantities so small that can be ignored or neglected. So small that can be ignored or neglected. Solubility of substances in water. Solubility of substances is its property to dissolve in some other substances. Underline. To form a mixture. Uniform nature. To form a mixture of uniform nature. The substances which get dissolved is called solute. Okay, underline this. While the other substances in which the solute get dissolved is called solvent. This results in a uniform mixture called solution. Water is very good solvent. Most of the substances readily dissolved in water. That is why it is also known as universal solvent. Underline this, universal solvent. It can dissolve anything. Let's gather some more information on solubility of different substances in water. Come, first let us see the solubility of solids in water. Underline solids. The most common example of solid that dissolve in water are salt and sugar. But not all solids dissolved in water. Okay, some solids like sand particles, chalk powder settle down at bottom of the container. Okay. Now we will turn the page number 72. Solubility of liquids in water. Now we are going to see the solubility of underlying liquids. Solubility of liquids in water. Most of the liquids dissolve easily in water. We can observe that by performing a simple activity. Take a mug of water and put a few drops of ink in it. We will notice that ink dissolves quickly and the water become colored. Similarly, fruit juice, milk, etc. are soluble in water. Example of liquid that are insoluble in water includes petrol, kerosene, oil, butter. These are insoluble in water. Bingo treasure. What happens when oil is poured in a vessel containing water? I have shown you what happens. It won't mix, insoluble. Bingo knowledge bank. The liquids which dissolve completely in water are said to be miscible in water. Miscible means dissolved, soluble. Similarly, the liquids which do not dissolve in water are said to be immiscible. Immiscible means it is not dissolved in water. Solubility of gas in water. Carbonated drinks, underline carbonated drinks, are the best examples of solubility of gas in water. In these drinks, carbon dioxide is dissolved in water under pressure. If we shake and open the bottle of soda or any other aerated drink, you will see this gas coming out in the form of bubbles. This happens because the pressure under which the gas was dissolved in water decreases on opening the bottle and it releases out in the form of bubbles. Besides carbon dioxide, other gases like oxygen, nitrogen, etc. are also soluble in water. Aquatic means which live in water. Aquatic animals breathe in oxygen that is dissolved in water and hence are able to survive inside the water. Children, now we are going to write some of the objectives here. See, fill in the blanks. First one, dash are known as building blocks of matter, atoms. Second one, dash is known as universal solvent, water. Liquids that dissolved in water said to be dash in water, soluble in water. Fourth one, I am going to tell you later. Okay, ma? After telling about the changes in state, I will tell about that. Next here, you see next here, fill in the blanks. Page number 75, fill in the blanks. All objects are made up of matters. Solubility of a substance and its properties to dissolve in some other substance to form a mixture of uniform nature. Solubility, uniform nature. Carbonated dash drinks are the best example to show the solubility of dash in water. Carbonated drinks are the best example to show solubility of gases in water. Okay. Okay, next one. Here these two I will tell you after completing those topics. Here, tick the correct answers. Which of these is the strongest force of attraction between its molecules? Once again, which of these has the strongest force of attraction between its molecules? Milk, stone, nitrogen. Stone. In stone, the molecules are arranged very close to each other. What happens if you put sand in water? It dissolves in it, it floats in it, and settle down. It will settle down. Third one you take. Next one. Third one. Which of these not dissolved in water? Ink, coconut oil, or milk? Answer is coconut oil will not dissolve. Okay. Which of these gases dissolved in water and utilized by aquatic animals for breathing? What is that? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, or hydrogen? Aquatic animals. Aquatic animals will take oxygen. Okay, till here. Next one I will tell you after this. Okay, children. Here, choose the odd one out. Stone, wheat grains, sand, sugar. Sugar. Okay. Ink, fruit juice, petrol, milk. This is a petrol. Cloth, table, chair, computer. Cloth. Till here you complete your textbook. Okay, remaining we'll see in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.